I was happy to see that our black-capped chickadees returned in force today. Like the scrub jays, they are not migratory, so I hope they will be with us through the fall and winter. I'm certain now that the grosbeaks have already moved south for the year. This dark-eyed junco showed up on the feeder today. That's a bit unusual since they are typically ground foragers. This bird is a different individual from the one on the ground later in this video, as is evident by their different colorings. The California scrub jays showed up both on the feeder and on the ground today. They are beautiful and interesting birds, and I hope to see them through the fall and winter. The spotted towhee is another ground feeder that doesn't migrate. I think they will be year-round visitors as well. This is a second dark-eyed junco. This bird has a black head with gray body, different coloring from the first one in this video. These Brewer's blackbirds aren't in my backyard. They hang out in the grocery store parking lot